Hello everyone, my name is Vadini. I'm assistant professor in RPIIT Karnal. Today we are going to learn about a topic named Introduction to Data Structures. The name data structure is a combination of two words, data and structure. Let's go over each word individually. Data. Data is a information that must be processed and stored in a computer. Data can be anything from numbers to characters to dates to photos or to videos. Structure. Structure refers to how data is being structured. It specifies the relationship between various data elements and how they are kept in memory. The structure that has an impact on the efficiency of the data operations. So data is numbers, character, dates, photos, and videos. Structure is the method of and organizing and storing the data. So what is data structure? A data structure refers to the organization of data in computer memory. It is the way in which data is being stored, processed, and retrieved. So what is the actual definition here? The data structure is the logical or mathematical model of a particular organization of data. A data structure is a way of organizing of all the data items that considers not only the elements stored but also relationship to each other. That means data structure is equal to organized data plus allowed operations. Why we learn data structure? Problem solving, as data structures are very important tool for handling many real world problems. Algorithm designs. To store and modify data, many algorithms rely on data structures. Requirement for the job. Data structure knowledge is frequently required for software engineering and computer science employment. Competitive programming. Data structure knowledge is essential for competitive programming and coding competitions. Better understanding of computer science. Data structures are the fundamental concept in computer science, and understanding them can deepen your overall understanding of this field. Need of data structure. We need the data structures because they provide efficient solutions to organizing and manipulating the data. That means it can improve time complexity, better space complexity, efficient data retrieval, better data management, solving complex problems. Now, where are the areas we can actually apply data structures extensively? Database management systems. Data structures are used to store and organize large amounts of data in a structured manner. Compiler design. Data structures are used to store and process the syntax and semantics of programming languages. Network analysis. Data structures are used to store information about network topology and to implement routing algorithms. Artificial intelligence. Data structures are used to store and manipulate large amounts of data in order to train algorithms and make predictions. Operating system. Data structures are used to manage resources such as memory allocations and process scheduling. Graphics. Data structures are used to store, display hierarchical data such as the number system in a computer's file explorer. For example, RDBMS arrays. Network data model, that is graph. Hierarchical data model, that are trees. What are the importance of data structures? The importance of data structures are crucial in computer science because they provide the framework for managing the data in a structured and organized way. So let's sum it up here. Efficiency. They enable efficient data access, manipulation, and storage, leading to faster program execution and improved performance. Second one is organization. They provide a clear and logical way to organize data, making it easier to understand, maintain, and update information within a program. Third one is problem solving. They provide the foundation for developing effective organize algorithms and solutions for a wide range of computing problems, from sorting and searching to data analysis and database management. Fourth is flexibility. Different data structures cater to specific needs, offering flexibility and adaptability for various applications and programming tasks. So how can we choose the data structure? Choice of the data structure. The data structure must be rich enough in structure to reflect relationship existing between the data. The data structure should be simple so that they can process data effectively whenever it's required. Study of data structure, logical description of data structure, and implementation of the data structure. Then third one is quantitative analysis of the data structure, which also includes the determining the amount of memory needed to store the data structure and the time required to process it. If you like our video, do like and subscribe, and thank you for watching.